And I was born as Tova Adamovich. I was born in Salzburg after the war. My parents were displaced people, and I was born in a DP hospital in Salzburg. But later, my parents were looking for a country that will be willing to accept them. And the gates of Israel, Palestine in those days were closed. And my father was able to obtain a permit in Yiddish. I grew up on the word permit, to go to Australia. My father had cousins in Australia, and they sent him a permit to come to Australia. And they boarded the boat in Marseille to go to Australia. And the boat was scheduled to stop in Naples to refuel. And the Naples port was on strike, so they could not stop there and continued on. And luckily it stopped in Haifa. And my parents got off the boat in Haifa. My mother I was just over a year old, 14 months. My mother was already pregnant with my brother. And they got off the boat, and a week later they changed their name from Adamovich to Jacobi, which was my grandfather's name, Jacob, to Jacobi, or Yaakobi in Hebrew, to Yaakobi, and so that they will not be found by the British. 6 months later, the War of Liberation started. My brother was born, Israel was born, and we settled in Haifa.